When installing communication cables and medium voltage cables in the same duct bank, several restrictions must be followed to ensure safety and prevent interference. Firstly, separation is critical. A minimum of 24 inches or 600 millimeters of vertical separation is required between the communication cable and the medium voltage cable. This separation must be maintained even at duct bank bends and where the cables enter or exit the duct bank. Secondly, shielding is essential. Communication cables must be shielded to prevent interference from the electric and magnetic fields generated by the medium voltage cable. Thirdly, grounding is necessary. Communication cable shields and duct banks must be properly grounded to protect against interference and electrical hazards. Fourthly, duct bank size is important. Duct banks must be large enough to accommodate the cables and maintain the required separation. Fifthly, conduit fill must be considered. Duct banks must not be overfilled with cables. It is important to follow manufacturers' guidelines for maximum conduit fill percentages. Sixthly, crossovers require attention. If crossovers between communication and medium voltage cables are necessary, a suitable separation method, such as a physical barrier or a grounded metallic shield, should be used. Seventhly, health and safety are paramount. Ensure proper ventilation during installation and maintenance to prevent exposure to harmful gases or contaminants. Use appropriate personal protective equipment. Eighthly, electromagnetic interference must be assessed. Assess electromagnetic interference potential before installing cables in the same duct bank. Consider using shielded communication cables or other mitigation measures to reduce interference. Ninthly, electrical codes and standards must be followed. Adhere to relevant electrical codes and standards such as the National Electrical Code or International Electrotechnical Commission standards for safe and compliant installation. Tenthly, utility coordination is needed. Obtain permits and coordinate with the utility that operates the medium voltage cable to ensure safety and compliance. In addition to these restrictions, several additional considerations are important. Communication cables may be subject to voltage induction from the medium voltage cable, which can damage equipment. Medium voltage cables generate heat, which can affect the performance of communication cables. Proper installation and maintenance are crucial to ensure the safety and longevity of both cables. These guidelines are essential for safe and reliable operation when running communication and medium voltage cables in a shared duct bank. The 24-inch separation helps minimize inductive coupling and potential hazards. Shielding provides an additional layer of protection against electromagnetic interference, ensuring the integrity of communication signals. Grounding the shields and duct bank creates a safe path for fault currents, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Proper duct bank sizing and conduit fill management prevent overheating and cable damage. When crossovers are unavoidable, physical barriers or grounded metallic shields offer a reliable way to maintain separation. Health and safety measures, including ventilation and personal protective equipment, protect workers from potential hazards during installation and maintenance. Evaluating electromagnetic interference potential allows for proactive mitigation strategies such as shielded cables or alternative routing. Adherence to electrical codes and standards ensures compliance with industry best practices. Coordinating with the utility company responsible for the medium voltage cable is essential for safe and compliant operations. By addressing these considerations, potential problems can be avoided, and the performance and safety of both communication and medium voltage cables can be maximized. Ignoring these precautions can lead to serious consequences, including equipment damage, communication failures, and potential safety hazards. Therefore, thorough planning, careful installation, and ongoing maintenance are essential for successful coexistence of communication and medium voltage cables in the same duct bank. Remember that local regulations and specific project requirements may dictate additional restrictions or considerations. It is always best to consult with qualified electrical engineers and adhere to all applicable codes and standards to ensure safe and reliable installation.